Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. I'm sorry, I have to apologize. I didn't upload a new video for a very long time, and I know you guys have been waiting for a new video, but the reason why I didn't upload a new video in such a long time is, I don't know if you've seen the last video. I asked you to share your personal story, to share about yourself, about how old you are, what you do for fun, or what you do for a living. And it took a very long time to read all those responses, to read all those comments, because I got so many messages and comments, and I really wanted to read all of them so I could really understand who I am talking to. Because to me it's very important to know who I'm teaching telekinesis to, because if I don't know who I'm talking to, it's very hard to find a good way to teach telekinesis. Really, to teach anything, you really have to know who you're talking to, and this is why I made the last video. It's not too late. If you haven't seen it, if you haven't shared your personal story, you still can do that. I still will read it. And that way it's going to be way easier for me to teach telekinesis to you. But today's video, I want to share a little secret, the secret of telekinesis. The problem with telekinesis is many people try to learn it and many people fail. And when you fail at anything, you stop believing, and when you stop believing, this is the first step and sometimes the last step of failure. For example, you are in school and you want only best grades, and maybe you don't believe that you can get straight A's, and this is the first step why you won't get straight A's. So you truly have to believe in your abilities, in your skills, and in your ambition, and you truly need the confidence, and this is practically the foundation. Without that, you don't even need to start practicing telekinesis or anything, because if you don't believe in yourself, there is no way that you can succeed. So just think about it for a moment. Just think about how bad you want it and why you want it, and then you will figure out very quickly if that is something you are capable of. And if the answer is yes, please stop doubting yourself, because if you doubt yourself, there is no way to get the clear mind you need to actually have this ability to move objects with your mind. So and this is maybe it's not even a secret to you, maybe you've known that before, but confidence is very important. But don't get me wrong, I don't want you to be confident to learn telekinesis in an hour or a week or a month or maybe a year. I want you to know, I want you to be confident that you are able to learn this skill in whatever amount of time you need, but you have to believe that you are capable of learning it. Think about it. You have to believe that you are confident that you're able to learn it. Not that you're able to do it, that you're able to learn it. Okay? So please tell me what you think about it. Maybe I'm full of crap, but I don't think so. Please share your opinion with me, and in the next video we're gonna dig deeper into telekinesis, but I felt like this was very important to share this, because I feel like many people fail because they don't have the confidence. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here for you, and have a good day.